Hi guys, in previous lecture of narration, I taught you how to change from direct to indirect. I taught you if reported speech is assertive sentence, or in other word we can say a statement, then how will we convert it into indirect speech. There were different types of changes. Some of them were the pronoun related changes, tense related changes, time adverbial changes. Yes, as far as the role of connective or the connective was concerned, it was that. कहने का मतलब कि हमने पिछले टॉपिक में यहाँ तक आपको बता दिया था कि कनेक्टिव का प्रयोग दैट का कनेक्टिव का रूप में प्रयोग होगा. उसी क्रम में मैं आपको कुछ और सेंटेंसेस बता रहा हूँ. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज हियर. नाउ लुक एट द बोर्ड. ही सेड टू हर, योर सिस्टर डिड नॉट टीच माय ब्रदर. Look at the reported speech. Reported speech is a statement. That's why the connective will be that. First of all, we will change the part of reporting verb which is out of inverted comma. He said to her is converted into he told her. He told her. Now there is the requirement of connective. Here connective is that. हाँ, मुझे एक बात और बतानी है कि जैसे हम बार बार में सेड टू को टोल्ड में चेंज कर रहे हैं, कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार हम टोल्ड में ही चेंज करें. यहाँ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के मीनिंग के अनुसार परिवर्तन होगा. हाँ, जब तक रिपोर्टेड स्पीच असर्टिव है तब तक कनेक्टिव हमेशा दैट ही रहेगा. आगे आने वाले सेंटेंसेस में मैं आपको इसका एक बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल बताने वाला हूँ जिससे आपकी अंग्रेजी बहुत आसान हो जाएगी और बड़ी आसानी से समझ में आएगी. यस, after that you will see here your sister. Your is second person pronoun. It will change according to the object of reporting verb. Here object of reporting verb is her. This one is the possessive form. The form of her will be converted into possessive. Her possessive form is her. Then her sister. Now the tense did not will be converted into had not, because past simple is converted into past perfect. Had not, and past participle of teach is taught. My first person pronoun, it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. He. Convert he in possessive form. Possessive of he is his brother. I think you have easily understood this. The second sentence is my teacher said to me, India got freedom in 1947. Now change it into indirect. My teacher told me. You can also convert told into some other words here, but we have converted it into told. My teacher told me. Now convertive is that. Now there is no pronoun in it, so there will be no change of pronoun. But as far as the change of tense is concerned, whether we change or not, because the tense of RV is past, तो हम ये देखते हैं कि यहाँ past है तो इसका tense change होता है. But here this sentence is related to historical past, and you know historical past is not converted, so we have repeated it. India got freedom in 1947. Now look at the third sentence. The doctor said to me, prevention is better than क्योर. नाउ जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि हम टोल्ड को सेड टू को टोल्ड में परिवर्तित करें, ये कोई अनिवार्य नहीं है. आप देखिए डॉक्टर एडवाइस भी देता है. यू कैन आल्सो यूज द वर्ड एडवाइज्ड. डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी और डॉक्टर एडवाइज्ड मी. बट as far as the reported speech is concerned, it is in form of assertive sentence, statement. That's why connective will be always that. You can't change the connective. Sometimes students think that we have used here advised, so we will use the connective too, but no. To connective is only used if the reported speech is in imperative sentence. Now prevention is better than cure. There will be no change of tense in anecdotes or any ancient saying. Yes. Now we will read about the interrogative sentences. If the reported speech is interrogative sentence. Other changes will be same. First of all, we will look at the change of reporting verb. Firstly, either said is given or said to. It means whether object is given or not, in both conditions said and said to will be changed into asked. In the same way, if say is given then ask, and says is given then asks. As far as the interrogative part of the reported speech is concerned, the whole sentence will be converted into assertive sentence. It means we will remove the question mark. Now it is the turn to know about the connective. First of all, these sentences have been started with the use of helping verb. These are not WH question word. So corrective either it will be if or whether. मेरे कहने का मतलब है आप if और whether दोनों में से किसी भी एक का कनेक्टिव के रूप में प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. टेंसेज के परिवर्तन पहले की भांति रहेंगे, प्रोनाउन के परिवर्तन पहले की भांति रहेंगे, टाइम एडवर्बियल के परिवर्तन भी पहले की भांति रहेंगे. Now look at the first sentence. He said to me, have you helped the poor lady? Here said to will be converted into asked. He asked me. asked में परिवर्तन करिए या वाक्य के अर्थ के अनुसार किसी अन्य वर्ड में, just like you can write inquired and some more word. He asked me. Now it is turn of connective. You can write either if or whether. If. Now we will change the whole sentence into assertive form. For it we will use the subject before the helping verb. Use second person pronoun. It will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. Here is me. So it is in subjective form. Now subjective of me is I. The tense of reported speech is present perfect. It will be converted into past perfect. So we will write had helped the poor lady. The answer will be he asked me if I had helped the poor lady. शायद आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. बहुत ही आसान तरीका है. Next sentence, Sweta said to him, do you like banana? Here sometimes we say use of do is dummy do, because whenever we convert the sentence into assertive form, then the use of do in is useless, because assertive of do you like banana is you like banana. Now change the whole sentence into indirect speech. Sweta asked him. You can write if or whether. दोनों में से आप किसी एक का यूज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर इस वाक्य में अर्थात रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में ऑप्शन हो या तो ये या वो, तो केवल वेदर आता है. हम आगे के सेंटेंसेस में ये देखेंगे. वेदर ही लाइक्ड बनाना. आंसर Sweta asked him if he liked banana. Yes. Third sentence, Rekha said, did she not play cricket? रेखा asked. ध्यान दीजिए यहाँ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के साथ ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, तो भी हमने इसको परिवर्तित किया है. जबकि अगर यही स्टेटमेंट होता तो हम इसमें परिवर्तन नहीं करते, सेड का सेड रख देते. सेड टू होने पर ही हम आस्क करते, टोल्ड करते थे. रेखा सेड, रेखा आस्क्ड इफ सी. Actually she is third person pronoun and there is no change in third person pronoun. She had not, because the sentence is related to past simple. Past simple is converted into past perfect and helping verb of past perfect is had not. Then past participle form, played cricket. Answer, Rekha asked if she had not played cricket. Till next topic you will wait. I think you have easily understood these topics. Till next topic, goodbye, have a nice day.